Hello again, gandang ka-chika life! Dahil na ba sa kinasasangkutang iskandalo ni Miss Racal, beauty brand ends partnership with Maurice Racal? Nagsimula na ba ang blowback sa pagkakasangkot ni Maurice Racal sa messy breakup ni Anthony Ginengs at ang Dan Showbiz Prinito si Jamaina Villanueva? Inansyo ng Dustin Lee, isang beauty cosmetic and personal care brand na tinapos na nila ang kanilang partnership sa press. Ilang buwan pa lamang nakakalipas nang inunsad si Miss Racal bilang brand ambassador ng nasabing produkto. Sa pamamagitan ng Instagram at Facebook ngayong Webes, December 5, 2024, iniyag ng Dustin Lee ang kanilang statement. Hindi umano ito madaling gawin pero kailangan daw nila itong gawin para mapanatili ang integridad ng kanilang produkto. Pahayag ng Dustin Lee at Dustin Lee, we have always been about inclusivity, authenticity, and making the right choices, even when they're thought of uncomfortable. Their values are at the heart of the brand and in everything we do. After thoughtful consideration, we have made the difficult decision to end our partnership with Miss Maurice Racal. Working with her has been an amazing journey. Her energy, humor, and authenticity resonated deeply with our vision of a bold and inspiring Gen Z icon. Nakiusap din ang Dustin Lee na kahit tinapos na nila ang partnership kay Miss Racal, sana raw ay mapanatilihin pa rin ang kindness at empathy online. Dagdag pa sa statement, however, we determined that moving in a different direction is necessary to remain consistent with the principles that guide our brand. As we move forward, may we also take this moment to advocate for kindness and empathy within the online space. Dustin Lee remains dedicated in encouraging everyone to make choices rooted in choosing values and principles. Thank you for your understanding and supporting the values that make us bold, boundless, and beautiful. Kapansin-pansin din na wala ng mga larawan si Miss Racal sa social media account ng Dustin Lee. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ito, subscribe na sa Starlight Showbiz YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.